Hi there, families and students. This is Mr. Austin. It is Tuesday, January 28th, the day after my birthday, which was yesterday, Monday, January 27th. I was able to bring in some cake, which has kind of been tradition with my mom. She's got me a birthday cake every year, and so I shared it with my students yesterday and today, which has been awesome. The students have been very cool about things, saying me happy birthday and wishing me very many thanks, which I've been very appreciative of. I want to let you know a little bit about the genetics unit, which we have somewhat started for the beginning of the third quarter here, and how it's going to be done. I've been splitting the classes into smaller little lecture groups, and I've been giving them different lectures on our topics in our genetics unit, which has basically been like Mendelian genetics, looking at how to do Punnett squares, different types of Punnett squares. We're also going to be looking at karyotypes. We're also going to be looking at pedigrees. We're going to be looking at meiosis and mitosis during our genetics unit. We're also going to be having some discussions about different topics, kind of looking at more modern genetics and the modern technology of cloning, stem cells, CRISPR, things like that. In this unit, the students will only have 8 assignments. There will be 6 quizzes. Each quiz is worth 10 points. Each quiz will consist of 5 questions with 2 points for each question. And there will be 2 projects, one dominant recessive traits project and one genetic disorder project. Each of the projects are worth 50 points. So there's 100 points there, and then 60 points for the 6 10-point quizzes. All of this work is due on Thursday, February 20th. Each day in class then, I will be lecturing on one part then, or kind of the next quiz as we be going through this process. The next part of the lecture, which you can kind of see in the picture, which I'll be attaching as well to this process for them to be able to see and use. I've been telling the kids that they will have plenty of time in class to take each quiz and then to also be working on the projects in class. Lectures I've been taking anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes, and sometimes if I need to give a little bit longer when I might only do it in 1 or 2 groups versus 3 or 4 groups, which then allows me to have more time walking around the class. All the students will be taking all the quizzes in class. They will all be done there, and they cannot take them outside of class. They can only take the quiz one time. Each of the projects is just a turn in one time and grade. There will not be any redos on quizzes, nor will there be corrections made on any of the projects. I wanted to let you know about all of this so that you can kind of be aware of what's going on with your son or daughter in class. You can talk with them about it. One of the things that I'm hoping is that they will have finished 2 quizzes by the end of this week. So it's one of the things that you can check in PowerSchool is that grades will update nightly as far as the quizzes that they've been taking. Many of the students have been taking the monohybrid quiz, which is the first one, and they should have taken the dihybrid one possibly as well, also by the end of this week. So if you have any questions, please feel free to, as always, call, email, come in. I'd be more than happy to sit down and talk with you about this as well. I also want to let you know, too, that all of the biology teachers are doing their genetics unit this way this year. It's something new for other teachers to be trying, and it's something that we've all agreed to. We've all been collaborative in this process, and we're all running our classes in the same manner. We all have the same point totals and things like that. So I just wanted you to know about that. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call, come in, let's set up an appointment to talk. We'd be more than happy to. Also, too, just as a reminder about scheduling, they do need to have their signed course permission slip done and turned in by this Friday, so they can get that submitted then and get their classes then picked out for next year. If you have any questions about that, please call me or email. I'll be more than happy to help in that process as well. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye.